forget to subscribe and hit that big fat thumbs up. So today I will be showing you how to make a dessert recipe which is known as Falooda. And I read some interesting facts and the history on Falooda which I will be telling you throughout the video. Come, let's see what all we will need. You will need some chopped almonds and pistachios for garnish, 1 cup of milk which I have added 2 to 3 spoons of sugar to, and some rose milk essence which has made it rose milk, some jello. You can get jello powder in stores. Add hot and cold water, keep it in the fridge and you can make some jello. Some vermicelli that has been boiled. I had white vermicelli and I added orange food color into it. You will need some basil seeds which I soaked in water for about 30 minutes. This is also known as sabja. And my favorite ingredient, ice cream. Let us make Falooda with love because it has traveled all the way from 400 BC. What a tiring journey. Falooda is all about layering. So let's see how do we layer it. First we will be adding some sabja or basil seeds for the first layer. I think we will need some more. Okay. Next we will need some vermicelli. Okay. So after now I have layered vermicelli, we will be adding some jello. So now after adding some jello, we will be adding the rose milk that I have made. You will have to fill almost a lot of the cup by adding rose milk. So now, my favorite ingredient, the ice cream. We will be adding some ice cream. So now as I have added ice cream to the beautiful Falooda, let me top it up with some ice cream. So as I have added some ice cream in it, for the finishing touches, let us garnish it with some almonds and pistachios that are chopped. So here now our Falooda is ready. The fulfilling and satisfying Falooda is right in front of me. No more wasting time because it's tasting time. It is yummy, so filling. It's nice to be served cold. The taste of the seeds, the jelly, the sabja, the rose milk, ice cream, it all makes it taste superb. And it becomes healthy because sabja is good for your digestive system and it cools down your body. So now you know the reason why it has traveled all the way from 400 BC. Don't forget to try it, like it and share it!